Hello, super deformed taxi collectors. Yes, that is me, apparently. This is ChoroQ standard number 51. It came out in 2004. It's a Toyota Celsior. But in other countries, I know this is a Lexus LS 400, or maybe it's the Lexus LS 430, based on those headlights. These are the only two images I could find of this car. I don't know. That's the way it is. Alright, so I gotta say that looks kind of similar, although something weird is going on in here. Maybe it's a sensor or something. And then, well, this one actually has the same lit up light here. This wacky shape. I don't know what city this is. So the tail light shape is generally there. Yeah. All right. Too bad they didn't print on the back side of that thing, though. I'm imagining these things don't cost much money when they're brand new. Alright, standard 5 spokes there by Choro-Q. And then the clear headlights, because this whole body is this clear plastic and they paint everything else. Green license plates, a nice touch. Would have been nice if it actually had a number on it, though. And then maybe I'll have to add some black. Oh, these are fog lights. Yeah, so maybe silver paint belongs there. Maybe black in here. Toyota badge looks good. It's molded in nicely, as well as the grille detail. This little blue stripe is a little crooked. Oh well. You can see the motor, the pullback motor there. This light thing looks cool from this side at least. And then we got some nice blueprinting here. So that's good. Molded details for the window trim. And then pretty lame taillight, but at least there's a trunk cut there. This thing's running dual pipes. I guess the real car is too. I don't think I've ever seen a ChoroQ bass like this with dual exhausts. That's pretty neat. Sticker's a little crooked. Alright. And then if you buy this used, you can look here and know this is from 2004. Here's a clear... Oh, there's actually molded details here as well. Interesting. Okay, there's the motor. Okay, well, that's that guy. I don't really love this car enough to print my own wheels, because I already have a Celsior where I printed the Lexus wheels. So let me get a coaster here. So where's that one I had? Here we go. So we have a regular street Celsior, and I 3D printed my own Lexus wheels, or Celsior wheels. Yeah, it's interesting. This one, they went and painted the backside of the headlights silver. They seem to skip that because I guess maybe the budget, you know, is all in the blue striping instead. What other taxis do I have? I have this Crown Comfort here, Toyota Crown Comfort. So that one's cool. It's got a nice interior. It's got a lot of extra work on it. A lot of extra parts, a lot of extra printing, nice wheels. We also have a Toyota Prius, and this is from ChoroQ 0. So this is got a lot of nice details on it, molded and printed details. Alright. And although it's not a taxi, it's still a big, well, it's called a Crown Athlete, and that's a ChoroQ 0 as well. Got a runny nose here today. Cat hair, probably. Let's get this guy spinning on its own. So, what kind of taxi? Let's just pull out this guy today. So, not the greatest ChoroQ. Definitely missing some printed details, but again, it really depends on what this thing cost. It didn't cost me much, only a few dollars. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm sure I'll get another Choro taxi in the future, so hope to see you there.